welcome. So how was your Super Bowl Sunday? Who you rooted for? The Patriots or the Rams? Unfortunately, the Rams lost, and as expected, Tom Brady, the Patriots won again for Super Bowl this year. Well, it's really not surprising because we all know that Patriots is a real good team. But then some of us were hoping that Rams could have won. I mean, it's not that tiring, but every time there's a Super Bowl and Patriots are in it, they I don't know. They always win whenever I watch. So congrats to Patriots, Tom Brady, congrats. And for Rams, better luck next time. There's always a next time. So in today's video, I'm just going to tidy up our family room. And before that, I'm going to let you see the overview of our family room while Aunia and JR is watching the Super Bowl. This is what it looks like.
Hey! Come on! Go! Hey! Go! Bobby! Come!
So JR is downstairs letting the dogs out. JR!
Hola!
Anya, say hi! Say hi!
Come on! Go!
There's the
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible.
So here it is. I'm finished tidying up. And we're going to the room to watch some movie. So hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up and see you in our next one. Say bye, Anya. Bye. Say bye. Whoa, bye.